This project involves a 4-story platform design. First, the foundation columns are installed, with the main beams and columns connected through an assembled joint system. For the second story and above, specially structured columns can be directly fixed onto the main beams. Secondary beams are then deployed. Based on the equipment drawings, a reinforced frame beam structure is designed. Since the equipment base is circular, an assembled inclined beam is designed to secure the equipment position using a cut-to-shape steel base. After the main structure is completed, the equipment and steel platform flooring are installed. The platform flooring is custom-made to actual dimensions and is completely separated from the equipment area. The entire structure is assembled without the need for on-site welding. The Botro assembled platform's custom design ensures an extremely short on-site construction period and facilitates easy disassembly and relocation. Botro makes warehousing smarter.